What is the toy show?
It's the most magical night of the year. You wouldn't want to miss it. There's singing, there's dancing, and you play with toys.
So it's really important?
It's a very big job.
How big?
It's the official start of Christmas. My mummy puts me to bed and then she wakes me up when it's time for the toy show.
So if they sing and dance and they play with the toys, what do I do?
You have to ask questions, see what they're about.
This is great.
You need to be chatty and you need to kind of be interesting.
I need to be fun.
Yeah!
I need to be interested.
Yeah!
I need to be funny.
Yeah! You can do this, Patrick!
Yes, Patrick, you can do this!
Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue.
Don't mess it up.